Hey guys, this is Aaron with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to be walking through this 2023 Nautique Paragon G25. As you can see here behind me, our color scheme, we did tungsten gray with the gold package and then a crimson red metallic flake paint with mystic white accents and tungsten gray bottom. All right, so welcome to the inside of the Nautique G25 Paragon. Starting here at the transom, as you can see, we are in our big transom loungers back here with your JL audio control, so you don't have to go too far to change your music. As you can see, we have a nice 3 steps up and into the cockpit, but it's all sea-decked, so you can walk from the back here all the way inside the boat without stepping on any of your upholstery. Really conveniently located transom cooler. So when you're back here lounging, you don't have to go too far for a beverage. Now, folding these seats down, as you can see, there's more sea deck. So for loading and unloading from the dock, you're still not stepping on your upholstery, and it gives you just a nice, easy access into the boat. And then on either side, you have storage access. Inside this side, where is our bow table storage area, but you can throw your boards in there, any of your gear for the day. Just really versatile. And then back here, the interesting feature on the Paragons is the optional wake sub. So what that is 2 subwoofers on either side that project out of these speaker vents here. So when you're behind the boat getting towed, you can really feel all that sound of the music. Now we'll walk inside here. You can see a nice step down into the cockpit, which is extremely spacious. Tons of seating with 2 flip-up backrests here, so you can be facing rear, so you can see your borders back there. Really neat feature here. So flight control tower is actuated, and it has the mounted speakers up top here. It's 2 8.8 JL audio speakers. This is going to be your wake surf tow point, and up on top of here is your GoPro mount that tracks along with the rider, and then your awareness camera up top so you can see your rider. Integrated into the bimini is surf pockets, so for your surfboards, and then underneath here is ventilated pockets for your tow ropes. And really cool feature here is the movable seat. So you can slide it all the way forward and flip it up, giving you a nice U-shaped seating area right here. Again, so all your focus is in the back where all the fun is really happening. And then coming forward, we have your passenger seat over here with a large storage compartment underneath. And that also has your amp and your subwoofer back there. And then the trash can, as you can see, that was in there. We do have a little door so you can throw your stuff away pretty easily, keeping the boat nice and tidy. You can notice the different color schemes. So the big difference with the Paragon is the decorative stitching here, and the gold accents that you kind of see throughout the boat. Now over here at the helm, as you can see, very comfortable seating position. You do have 2 display screens, and that is only something you'll find on the Paragon models. And then over here, you have your rotary control dial. So that gives you full access to the boat with your quick buttons right here. So it's going to be how you can control all your ballast and your ballast shifting ability, and just like your navigation throughout the boat here. And then coming forward, this being a 25-foot boat, as you can see, we have a ton of space up front here. So pretty neat feature. Again, as you can see, you have sea deck all the way through. So from your very tip of your bow all the way to the back of the boat, you're always stepping on sea deck. But then these 2 pieces do flip around and creating one big sun pad. So your riders can be comfortable all day when you're just hanging out with your crew. You got flip up armrests, and then for those really cold days, when you're out on the water. We can go ahead and close this whole section off, keeping everybody nice and comfortable. And that just tucks away right there neatly. Really cool feature inside the flooring of the boat is underneath here. We have our Nautique branded cooler with its dedicated storage. So, good size cooler. And then kind of a neat little Easter egg is there is a impression of the Nautique logo. So when you do take this out onto the beach and stick it in the sand, you know, leaves a nice little Nautique logo mark. We do have storage underneath both of the seats. So for all your gear for the day, that's going to be on both sides. And as you can see, we have cup holders everywhere. They're all lit. Speakers all over the place, and on Nautique strapless board racks. They do swing in. Just lift up, throw your board in there, swing it out, and then you're good to go. So this has been the walkthrough of the 2023 G25 Paragon by Nautique. And if you guys want to see it in person, just come on into the showroom and we'll walk you through it in person.